Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Now, I did this little part here, and it looks a little crazy, but it's also kind of cute. I'm not sure if it's just because I just kind of woke up, so my hair just coming out of the bonnet, you know your hair looks kind of crazy, so I'm not sure if it looks cute, if I should flip it back, just leave it alone. What do we do here? So as you guys can see from the title, we're going to be continuing the week of favorites, and today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys my favorite detangling conditioners. I did see a few comments of some people saying that they just want my absolute go-tos, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you guys. I just find that giving you guys options, I thought you guys would prefer that. I didn't want to like bombard you guys with a ton of products because I do know that not everybody has access to all these products like this. Like obviously a lot of these are sent to me, so I do have the opportunity to test a ton of different things. So that's why I have a lot of favorites. But for the conditioners, I was able to narrow it down. I feel like I did the same thing with the shampoos. I don't think I added too many shampoos, but you guys tell me. Go ahead and comment on that video. Let me know what you guys think about the amount of products I'm sharing. I just want to share enough to give you guys variety because I know a lot of people may not be interested in one product and then they're like, oh, I heard of that one. I want to try that one. You know, like I want to give you guys options because what works for me doesn't always work for you guys. So, you know, I want to give you guys options. Okay, so let's get right into this video so it's not 3 hours long. You guys already probably know what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna be starting with the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa Conditioner. This one's literally empty, so if it doesn't show how much I love this product. This is probably one of the best, if not, this is the best conditioner I've used on this hair, period. Like whenever I'm going through anything where my hair is super dry and it needs like a lot of love when it comes to detangling, this is always gonna be my person. Like, did I say my person? This is always gonna be my product of choice. Again, not only is this entire line super affordable, it's amazing. It has a lot of slip. Yes, this one has silicone, so, you know, use wisely. If you guys don't know, I am open to using silicones. They just work really well in my hair, and the only I do use this conditioner, I do know that I have to follow up with a very cleansing shampoo to remove the silicones. This one is a automatic slip conditioner. Like when I'm telling you, you will apply this to your hair and your hands will literally rake through your hair. This is a good one. If you haven't tried it, you guys need to get your hands on it. Don't grab one, grab 3, 5, 6. She's amazing. And since we're already on the topic of Trader Joe's, I absolutely love the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner. You guys know how much I love the shampoo, but I also really love the conditioner. I know there's mixed reviews on this one. I know a lot of people don't really feel the same way about this one as I do the shampoo. But what I will say, the key to making this one work is applying a ton to your hair. Like I apply a lot of it to my hair. And you might say like, oh my God, it's a waste of product. This product only costs $4. So, and it also comes with 16 fluid ounces. So even you applying a lot is not a lot because there's a lot of the products in this bottle. You know what I mean? Even with how hard I go applying this to my hair, this definitely lasts me a little bit over 2 months. So, and even then, like I feel like it lasts a little longer, but because I'm always like bouncing between products, but when I'm using this one and I want my scalp to feel like super fresh and invigorating, and I love this product. I love this line. It's just so, you guys already know how I feel about mint, so this is very refreshing on the scalp, and I love to use this especially like after I get braids when I need like a good cleanse. This one feels so soothing on my scalp and my hair. Yeah, definitely the key to making this one work is applying a ton of it to your hair. Kind of just try to rake it into your hair, let it sit a little bit, and then start detangling. Also add water as needed because these products tend to work better with water. I'm telling you, it's a good one. The next product I'm gonna mention is not necessarily a conditioner, but it's like a deep conditioner that I use as a conditioner because it just works so good. It's the Matcha Green Tea Not Your Mother's Naturals mask. It's the Matcha Green Tea Wild Apple Blossom mask. This one's also empty because I run through these so quickly. This is like my go-to deep conditioner / conditioner that I bring on vacation with me because it's just a multi-purpose product. And I know that their conditioner is also really good. So if you try the actual conditioner from this line, not just the deep conditioner, it works really well. And I did say I was gonna do a whole video like reviewing them again because it's been such a long time since I picked them up. But when I'm telling you, this one's just everything. Like, I love, love, love this deep conditioner. It has so much slip, and what I love about it is that once I use it to detangle, I'm able to just keep it in my hair for a few minutes, and it serves as a deep conditioner. So if you guys have not tried this yet, low porosity gals with super thick hair, highly recommend you guys try this mask. Like, it is amazing. What I love about it too is that it's also pretty affordable for the most part because it's thick, so it lasts a long time. It has 10 ounces. I think it costs $8.99, but here's the catch. You go to Ulta, they typically have like a buy one get one free sale, or they normally have a buy one get one 50% off sale, or buy one get one 40% off, which is still really good because you can get 2 for under 20 and they last a really long time. Like, a little goes a long way with this product. I run through them quickly because I use them so often, but I always have these in stock. So if you guys have not tried this product, I highly recommend it. It is so good. It's amazing. It probably should, in my opinion, it should definitely be, it should cost more because it's so good. I mean, but I'm glad it doesn't cost more because, you know. And the next conditioner is absolutely amazing. It's a little bit more on the higher end side, but I like to give variety. I know y'all like, you know, ranges. This is the Mizani True Textures Moisture Replenished Conditioner. This conditioner has such a ridiculous amount of slip. And this paired with their shampoo, I don't know what is in these two together, but they're actually free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, like all of the things. And they work amazing in your hair. Like, the slip on this conditioner is like no other. Like, I love, 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 love this product. Like, I haven't picked it up in a while because, like you guys know, I get a ton of products, so it's really hard to just like stick to just one brand because my job is to pretty much review different things and to test different things out for you guys. So I recently picked this back up and I was like, oh my gosh, like, why do I keep putting it down? And it's more because I want to try different things, but this is amazing. This with the shampoo, amazing. Very hydrating, very nourishing on curly hair, and it's very good for thick curly hair. I love me some Mizani, but this conditioner is everything. Masks too, the True Texture mask. Don't even get me started on that. I haven't tried that in such a long time. I have to go re-pick it up because it's been such a long time since I've tried it, but I love it. It's so moisturizing. When you pair the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner together, I might do a video on that so you guys could see, because when I'm telling you, this is the truth. This is the truth with a capital T-R-U-T-H. And another conditioner that I absolutely love, this is actually a new bottle, thank God I actually found one, is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Conditioner. Now, I used to feel a way about Maui because I used to feel like their products didn't work for me. And I just was picking up the wrong ones. Like, I wasn't picking up the ones that were catered to my hair type and for dry, thick hair. So I found my two duos, which is the Shea Butter collection, the pink one, and the coconut oil collection. These two collections are amazing on my hair. I love, love, love the slip that this conditioner gives me. Not to mention it smells amazing, but what I like to do with this one is I love to saturate my hair with it as well. I let it sit for a little bit, and then that's when I start, you know, going from the ends up. And this detangles my hair like no other. It smells amazing. It feels amazing. I love this product. Shampoo is also very hydrating on the hair. It's very gentle on the hair, but it leaves your hair feeling super duper clean. I don't know if I added it to my favorites, but I remember saying I was gonna add the two together because I really do like this collection. I love the way my hair feels and smells and just looks upon rinsing this out. So if you guys have thought about trying Maui Moisture and you have hair similar to mine, definitely recommend the Curl Quench Coconut Oil collection. I think I have other, I'm almost positive I have other videos. You remember that video that I tried their styling products, and it of course was not sponsored. This is not sponsored. I tried their coconut oil styling products, the gel and the smoothie. And I remember saying like, oh, these products, they don't work. But it's because I used them wrong. And it's because I didn't rinse out my deep conditioner accordingly and I just applied them on top. So I did 2 videos trying the products, and you guys will see the change, and you guys can see how amazing the products work in my hair. So definitely check them out because they're good. And last but not least, it's the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I know it's a leave-in conditioner, but I do use this as a conditioner because the slip that this product has and the effect that this product has on my hair. I could not tell you why Miche is one of those lines, like I said, that just works for me. Like, again, I have not tried anything from Miche that I don't like, but even though this is a leave-in conditioner, I'm able to use this as a conditioner because it just gives me so much slip and it just works. I do tend to rinse it out and then reapply it. I know it sounds like a waste of product, but I like to rinse it out. I don't know, it doesn't feel the same when it's the same product I use to detangle and keep it in. I don't know. I do rinse it out and then I reapply, but since my hair still feels very soft from what I recently used, I don't have to use as much the second time around. It's not like I rinse out the entire thing. Like I'll just rinse out some of it, you know, once I detangle my hair, and then I'll go back in and apply some more. So I love this leave-in. I love it as a leave-in, and I also love it as a conditioner. It's not for that, but I just use it for that because it's me. And I try things and I'm like, oh, this would be a good detangler. I try it as a detangler and it becomes my new product. Like, even though it says it's for a specific reason, like I use it for other reasons. So, oh, just kidding. It's actually a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes. Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens hair. So you can actually use it as a detangler, but you could leave it in too. So up to you. Definitely recommend it. It's a great, great leave-in conditioner. This line in general. Yeah, guys, that's all for my conditioners. I hope you guys liked my little array of products. If you guys have any questions regarding anything that I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment them down below. I'll also be linking all these products in my description box as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.